My name is Tom Hadaway. I'm with the Stan Weaver Company, and on this short video we want to show you how to change the stop mode from coast to ramp on an ABB ACH580 drive. Menu, Primary Settings, Ramps, Stop Mode, Edit. The options are coast and ramp. If it's a fan motor, coasting to a stop is fine and most energy efficient. But if it's a pump, you want to ramp to a stop where we're doing a controlled stop. This prevents the triple duty valve from slamming shut. Save, and you can back out to the home screen. There is another route of changing the stop mode as well. Menu, Primary Settings, Start Stop Reference, Stop Mode.